Second year higher level algebra test 2, question 5. So you're told that x is a real number. One new number is formed by increasing x by 1. So that's going to be increasing plus 1, x plus 1. And a second new number is formed by decreasing x by 2. Decreasing, take away 2 from x. The product of these two numbers is 1. Product meaning multiply. So when you multiply the two numbers together, the answer is 1, and that's your equation. Solve this equation to find two possible values of x and give your answer correct to 3 decimal places. Okay, so when it's multiplied out, we have x plus 1 by x minus 2 is equal to 1. So x into x minus 2 and plus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 1. So we'll have x squared minus 2x plus x minus 2 is equal to 1. So it's x squared minus x minus 2 minus 1 equals 0. So x squared minus x minus 3 equals to 0. Now we're left with a quadratic equation, and there's a giveaway in the question. It says give your answer correct 3 decimal places. Now if you look, when you try to factorize this, it's not easy to factorize with the two brackets to find two numbers to multiply together to give you minus 3 and add or subtract to give you minus 1. So you use the quadratic formula. So minus b plus or minus x values are equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So your a is the number in front of x squared, so it's 1x squared. B is the number in front of x, or the coefficient of x, which is minus 1. And c is the constant, which is minus 3. So x is equal to minus bracket minus 1 plus or minus the square root of minus 1 squared minus 4 by a, which is 1, and c, which is minus 3, divided by 2 by a, which is 1. So x is equal to minus by minus 1, which is plus 1, plus or minus the square root of minus 1 squared. Once again, be careful when you're squaring it, if you're using the calculator, that you put brackets around it, or otherwise remember that when you square a negative number you always get a positive number. So minus 1 squared is plus 1, and then we get 4 3s are 12 divided by 2. So we have x is equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 13 divided by 2. So our two values are going to be x equal to 1 plus root 13 divided by 2, x equal to 1 minus root 13 divided by 2. So when on the calculator, it works out to be 2.3027 and minus 1.3027, and the question said to 3 places of decimal. So to 3 places of decimal, we look at the fourth number after the decimal point. So x is going to be equal to 2.303, because the 7 makes the 2 become a 3, and x is equal to minus 1.303.